are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword pass. Welcome back to our Python programming series. Today, we are uncovering a simple yet essential keyword in Python's toolkit, pass. Often misunderstood, pass plays a crucial role in code development and structure. Let's dive into what makes pass an indispensable part of Python programming. The pass statement in Python is used as a placeholder. It allows for the creation of syntactically correct empty blocks of code. Unlike comments, pass is operationally ignored by Python, meaning it executes nothing but fulfills the syntactical requirement. Why pass? Imagine sketching out the structure of your program without implementing the logic immediately. Pass lets you do exactly that, enabling you to focus on building your program's architecture while leaving placeholders for future logic. The pass keyword is incredibly useful during the early stages of development, in testing, or when you intend to implement functionality later. It's perfect for stubbing out functions, classes, and control structures without causing syntax errors. Let's look at a simple example to illustrate the use of pass. In these snippets, pass is used in a function, an if block, and a class definition. Each use case demonstrates pass acting as a silent placeholder, allowing these structures to be syntactically correct while being functionally empty. And there you have it, the pass statement, a powerful tool for planning and structuring your Python code. By using pass, you can lay out the skeleton of your projects and fill in the details as they are developed. Continue to enhance your Python skills with us. For more insightful programming tutorials, make sure to subscribe.